The Bird and Crow's Adventure. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there lived two creatures, a crow and a bird. They had no home, and the jungle was quiet, with no one to talk to. One day, they decided to leave the jungle and go to the city to live. As they walked along the road, they thought of building their own homes. Along the way, they came across a large pile of salt and wood. The crow said, "I will take the salt," and the bird said, "All right, I will use the wood to build my home." Each of them took their materials and started building their houses. Finally, they both built beautiful and cozy homes. One day, suddenly, a heavy rain began to fall. In no time, the salt began to wash away, and the crow's house was completely destroyed. The crow felt very sad and began to cry. The bird, being a good friend, took the crow in and gave him shelter in its home. And so, they both lived together happily. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.